So truffles what I'm gonna make today is a vegan truffle, and I'm gonna need some dates. I'm gonna use 2 cups of dates in that. Dates what we have is like a dry pitted dates. So I'm gonna soak it in some hot water, some warm water, kind of soften it up a little bit so we can get the right texture what we need for the truffle. So let's make that go and soak. And we're gonna need some dry almonds. I want to have some salt on it. So I'm gonna use about 3 cups of that almond. I'm gonna use some raw cocoa powder, and we need about a cup of that. We use some crystallized ginger in that too. You see it? We use 1 cup of ginger. Of course, if you want to have a more gingery flavor, I can put a little bit more ginger in that too. Then I go shred some coconut. So use the grater and shred it and toast them. And we are going to roll the truffles in the coconut after. Alright, so we have the shredded coconut ready. And that's about a cup. It's about 1 cup of coconut right there.
What do we? Chocolate Wednesday?
Just need to spread it out on a sheet pan, and I'm going to put it in a toaster oven. Get a nice golden brown crust, you know. Alright, so while the coconut are going to toast. Niles, what's up?
Who's this day? Here you go.
So you need a food processor like that, or if you have a real good blender, you can use the blender also. First I go blend the almonds. You don't want it too fine. And so you want to have a little crunch when you eat the truffles.
How do we?
Yeah, you want to get that texture there. The dates them soft a little bit and ready for blend. So I'll drain off the water and I'll cut them up a little bit before I put them in the processor. Of course, we forget about the coconut, but good thing we did have the time on. Them good still. Alright, coconut ready. Golden brown. Just I go throw them off at the plate and make them go and cool. When I blend the dates, just put add a little of the almond in there so that the dates don't get clogged up on the blades. Yeah.
Oh no!
Yeah, man. Chop up the ginger them a little bit too. And same procedure when I blend them. Just add a little of the almond in there. So yeah, it will look like that. And then we just need to add the raw cocoa powder to that. And I'm gonna knead it up like when I make dumpling, you see me? So just strap on your gloves, cause this is gonna get messy. Yeah, that will look like that. That consistency that I look for. So I roll them up like that size. So I will roll them up and then roll them in the shredded coconut. And guys, you can use this recipe to make your edibles. No, just like brownie. Just add your Mary J in there and roll them up same way. Mm. That is it. So yeah, that is it.
I remember somebody coming up to me at one of your cells, and I was closing the door, and she said,
What does it
and I
taste like?
grabbed, I had it in my hand.
It's like coconut.
I don't remember.
Delicious. Yeah, y'all like it.
Las Vegas.
Nice. You like it?
I've been looking forward to this all day.
5, 6, 7 years ago. I don't know, you just don't remember that stuff.
Oh wow.
They're not something important in your life.
You was loving it so much.
I was
What you say?
because I was worried.
So we have to make sure that we're scheduling. Yep.
Great job, Yura. Great job. You gotta make some more.
Not looking at you. It's
Julie.
for us to see each other.
Sensational.
Tastes like chocolate cake.
Tastes like edibles. Like Sophia's edibles.
Yes.
When he drop it.
So if you enjoy that video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and smash that notification bell. Peace.